So bros, we've got some new earbuds from Samsung. They are called the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Just announced with the new Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e and S10 Plus smartphones at MWC Barcelona. They retail for $129 US, so they're not crazy expensive like the Jaybird runs, but more or less in the mid-range price point. Available from March 8th in the US and March 29th in Europe, or you could even purchase them with the new Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus smartphones. Okay, so looking at these earbuds in context of what was released recently in 2019 and even in 2018 by brands like Bose, Sony, Klipsch, JBL, Jaybird, I gotta say that I'm liking the specs on these earbuds a lot. They look good. For example, the Samsung Galaxy Buds support Bluetooth 5.0, very promising. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures that you get more reliable Bluetooth connection with your device, which is great. They also support USB-C, which is great, a reversible jack, and the possibility of charging them up quickly is always a plus. But what's really interesting about these earbuds is that they support wireless charging from a Qi charging base or from the back of a Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus smartphone. And I think it's pretty interesting to see how wireless charging is becoming a more common feature among true wireless earbuds. I think late last year, B&O released the Beoplay E8 version 2. That one supports wireless charging. And of course, we have Rokin. Rokin supports wireless charging, but apparently, Rokin does not have an office in Singapore. So I'm not able to get in touch with a local distributor so that I can try the earbuds out for myself. But anyway, such is the life of a Singapore tech reviewer. But what I want to say is that the Galaxy Buds look very promising, even in the current landscape of things in the year 2019. And apparently they also feature touch controls, and they are 30% smaller than the previous model. It's got a 6-hour charge in the earbuds, which is very promising, but some reviewers are saying that Samsung actually overstated the battery life of the Gear Iconics. They said that the Iconics had a 5-hour charge when in fact they only managed to squeeze out a 1.5-hour charge. So I'm not very sure what the true battery life of the Galaxy Buds is, but what I can say is 6 hours is pretty promising. The case contains an extra 7 hours of charge, so if you total it up with the charge and the earbuds, it adds up to 13 hours, which is like Jaybird run territory, right? So it's not impressive, even if Samsung wasn't bluffing about the battery life. Other earbuds are the JBL Free X, 4 hours on a single charge, 5 extra charges in the case, total battery life 24 hours, which is way more impressive, and it costs the same amount of money as the Galaxy Buds, $129. But of course, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles like wireless charging, USB-C, etc, etc. Is it even sweat-proof though? There's no information here saying that it's... Never mind, let's go to the Samsung website to check. Okay. Specs. Yeah. There's no information whether it's sweat-proof, waterproof, etc. The last reason why I don't think these earbuds will be destroying the competition anytime soon is because they don't support aptX. The codecs that they support is scalable, which is Samsung proprietary, which means if you use a Samsung phone, you'll be able to enjoy this mutually proprietary codec. It also supports AAC and SBC, which are I consider SBC to be super high latency. So if you're watching videos with a smartphone that only supports SBC, you're basically screwed. Your audio won't be synced up with your video at all. With AAC, you might have a chance of getting your audio synced up somewhat with your video, but you'll still be able to pick up some latency because the best case scenario of latency when it comes to AAC codec is 180 milliseconds or a fifth of a second, which is pretty decent. They don't support aptX, which is a big pity because aptX is gonna bring down that latency a little bit more, and they also don't support aptX LL, which totally eliminates latency. And this is a gigantic bummer for me because I watch a lot of videos. If I want to know about a new product, I jump onto YouTube. If I want to entertain myself, I jump onto YouTube. If I want to listen to music, well, sometimes YouTube, sometimes my own music collection. But videos is a big part of my life, so it's quite a pity that these earbuds don't support a lower latency codec like aptX to cater to people like me. But if you're someone who doesn't watch a lot of video, doesn't care for playing video games on your smartphone, likes to entertain yourself by listening to a lot of music, then this isn't an issue for you, but for me it's an issue. But bros, if you didn't understand anything about what I was saying in the last 1 minute or so, watch this video, because this video will help you understand what codecs are all about and why they are so important when it comes to true wireless earbuds. Okay, so here's what I think about the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They look great. I mean, they look promising on paper, I'm not kidding. And the price point is pretty attractive as well. $130 for something with Bluetooth 5.0, wireless charging, USB-C. Of course, the things that hold it back are the things that matter to me, like battery life. I think its battery life is a little too short, because 13 hours of battery in total is like, it's really average nowadays. The lack of aptX is also quite a bummer for me, but overall I think that this is definitely worth a look. It's a super exciting product right now, and I cannot wait for it to drop in Singapore so that I can review for you guys. But guys, I want to know what you think. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy Buds? Are you excited about it? Do you think it's a smash, or do you think it's a pass? If you think it's a smash or you think it's a pass, tell me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Audio-Technica. If you like this video, please punch that like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already, and remember to ring the bell to join notification squad, because I upload videos every single week and YouTube will only notify you if you ring this bell. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.